Welcome back, guys. In this video, we will go over the data overview section inside the store option in Crony BackOffice. The data overview screen gives you a quick visual summary of important information available in your back office. This page is useful because it allows owners, managers, and back office users to quickly review store data without opening every module separately. To access it, go to the store and then click Data Overview, or you could use the Smart Search instead. Once the Data Overview page opens, you will see different sections such as System Task, Database, Products, Departments, Vendors, and other store-related summaries. We will go through these sections one by one. First, let's look at System Task. This section gives you a quick view of important store activity and alerts. Here, you may see information such as daily books, expired documents, open gas loads, ticket created, and other system-related tasks. This is helpful because it shows you items that may need attention. For example, if there are expired documents or open gas loads, this section helps you notice them quickly. Next, let's move to the database section. The database section gives you a summary of records currently available in your back office. This may include active items, purchases, departments, weighing scale information, employees, and mix and match records created in the system. This section is mainly used to understand how much data is currently stored in your back office and to quickly confirm that important records are available. Now for the product section, this section shows product-related information including inventory details and item data, and how much product information exists in the system. This section is useful when you want to quickly check your product setup or confirm that inventory information is available. In the department section, over here, it shows the number of active departments, departments with no items, and departments with no sales. This is very useful for cleanup and review. For example, if a department has no items assigned to it, you may need to add products to the department or remove it if it's no longer needed. If a department has no sales, it may help you identify departments that are not being used. Now let's look at the vendor section. The vendor section shows vendor-related information. Here, you can see the total number of vendors in your back office, along with vendors that have no items or no sales connected to them. This helps you identify vendors that may need to be updated, linked to products, or reviewed. As you continue reviewing the data overview page, remember that the screen is not mainly used to create new records. It is mainly used as a quick review and analysis tool. The goal is to help you understand the current status of your store data, identify missing information, and find records that may need cleanup or attention. And that's it for the data overview section in Crony BackOffice. In the next video, we'll continue to progress with the next option inside the store module. Just like always, I'll see you guys in our next video.